Hello, welcome to this Goldstar IT tutorial. In today's video, we're going to explore how to get better insights from reports in Zoho CRM, turning everyday data into powerful business intelligence. Many users build reports to view numbers, but few unlock the why behind those numbers. We'll show you how to dig deeper, uncovering patterns, performance gaps, and growth opportunities directly within your CRM. From your Zoho One dashboard, open up the top menu and choose CRM. Once you're in the CRM, navigate to the Reports module. Let's open a report that you already used. For example, let's choose the Pipeline by Stage report. You can also create a new one by clicking Create Report up at the top here, and choosing module like Deals or Leads. Within this report, let's go into the Edit mode. In here, let's have a look at what we can do to improve this data, to drill this down to be more concise to your business needs. Let's move over to the Filters tab, and let's edit our filters. Let's add a closing date, and let's choose current month. So let's drill this report down to deals that are closing this month. We've also got current week, next week, this year, current financial year, but current month works best for us. Let's go back over to the Columns tab, and let's update our groups. So we can see this is already grouped by the stage, but we also want to drill that down on each stage by the owner. That could well be our sales rep. Okay, so now this report is starting to give us better information. It's telling us that there is a deal that's owned by Layla, which is worth 60,000, and that's closing on the 25th. And the other one owned by Basil, that's worth 20,000, closing on the 30th. So at this point, we're happy with everything that we've done. We can choose to save our report, or we can choose to save it as. If we want to leave this existing report and create a new one, then we can do that. So now that we've updated our report, what more can we do with this report? We could create a chart for this report. Up in the top right there, click on Create Chart. You can choose to create different types of charts. There are many options available. They may or may not work, and you're able to come back and edit this at any point. You can choose what you're measuring by. You can choose your grouping. So if you want to group this by the owner, so you can now see which sales rep is producing the most amount of sales this month. Let's click Save. So now that we can see Layla has 75% versus Basil at 25%. So you're really happy with your chart as it is at the moment. What more can you do with your chart? Well, you can continue editing it if you need to. You can also delete it if you're not happy with it. Or at this point, you can add it to your dashboard. So let's choose our Deal Insights dashboard. That now makes that readable information for everyone to go and see. Where can we find that? Let's go into the Analytics module up on the top navigation bar. And let's look at our Deal Insights. And that report has now appeared down here for us. It shows the report that has been created from, and allows us to manage that here. The really great thing about this is live data for you right now. When an action happens in your CRM, this updates instantly for you. Creating reports in Zoho CRM helps you move from guesswork to clarity. You can see real-time sales performance, identify bottlenecks in your pipeline, and make data-driven decisions that improve productivity and forecast accurately. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like to let us know that you enjoyed learning about Zoho CRM reports. And be sure to subscribe to the Goldstar IT YouTube channel for more short Zoho tutorials.